In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a print button to your Google Chrome toolbar. This will make printing web pages a breeze, saving you time and making your browsing experience more efficient. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're using Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Google Chrome open, the next step is to open a new tab. This might be something you're already quite familiar with, and it's typically done by simply clicking on the small plus sign next to your existing tabs at the top of the browser. A new tab is a great way to ensure you're starting with a clean slate, without any existing distractions from an active web page. Now, with that new tab open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the browser window. Here you'll find a button labeled Customize Chrome. Click on it. This button is a key feature that allows you to customize various aspects of your browsing experience, so it's worth exploring even beyond this task. Once you've clicked Customize Chrome, you'll notice a panel will appear on the left side of your browser window, offering several customization options. Focus your attention on the section labeled Toolbar. Go ahead and click on Toolbar, which will help you access the settings related to various toolbar buttons and options. In the toolbar settings, you'll find an option that says Show Print Button. You'll want to turn this option on. To do this, simply click on the toggle switch next to Show Print Button. When it's turned on, the switch will change to a different color or position, indicating that it's active. And just like that, you're all set. The print icon should now be visible on your Chrome toolbar. You should be able to spot it easily beside other tool icons. Having this print button handy means you can print web pages directly with just a single click, drastically simplifying the process, especially if you're someone who frequently needs to print documents, articles, or other information from the web. So there you have it. You've successfully added a print button to your Google Chrome toolbar, enhancing the efficiency of your browsing and printing needs. We hope this quick tutorial helps streamline your workflow and saves you some valuable time. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore additional resources or adjust other settings within the Customize Chrome menu to tailor your browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from a seamless browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.